Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly see what's going on with GMT. GMT is basically, is just, hanging around at 220s, 210s, and then you can see the last rally we had over here was here at these highs, right over here, and then you can see we had a pullback, and I told you that basically if you bring the Fibonacci, you can see it went and hit the 0.382 as soon as it broke the 0.618 level. You can see how many times it tried that previously to break this level. But once we got over it, we went and hit it, came back down, fell back. I told you if we're going to break the 0.618 one more time, we're going to come back and probably come and touch these lows. We came very close to it at $2.06. And now we are just, trying to push towards the upside. We are battling the 0.786 level and trying to see if we can get back to the 0.618. Now, one thing I want to just, tell you guys about GMT. If you go in the daily time frame, excuse me, you can see that in the daily time frame, it's actually giving you a very clear picture of what's coming. A decision is coming very soon for GMT. You can see over here at these areas, we created these, this ascending triangle formation. You could take a better look at the at this in the 4-hourly time frame. Clearly, you were creating higher low formation. Okay, this is bullish, and then we were hitting the resistance again and again. Okay, so now you get the point. Now if we come over here, we go in the daily time frame, you can see in the daily we are creating lower high formation. Okay, you cannot deny this. This is lower high, and lower high, lower high, lower high. You can see how many times it goes up, hits the 0.382 level, gets rejected, comes back. 0.382 level comes back. Okay, and with that lower high being formed, you can clearly see we are creating this. We are hitting the support level again and again. Okay, so now within maybe I would say maybe a day and a half, we can get to a decision where it's going to have either a breakout from the resistance level or breakout from the support level. Usually these patterns are bearish patterns, but they do break towards the upside. That's why it's 70% downside, 30% upside. But again, market can have it can change the momentum. Bitcoin can change its the way it's going right now. Maybe Bitcoin decides to go to the upside, then this might break towards the upside. Or any major news comes out, then we can have this breakout maybe towards the upside, or maybe I can be completely wrong and it just wants to break towards the upside. But at the moment, you can see it's forming lower high formation, and this support is trying to hold the levels. Okay, now if you bring your uh, target levels. Now, if usually we measure this from the apex, and you can see whenever the breakout happens, the usually if it's towards the upside, it's usually at the top of this top of the triangle. Okay, and if you measure this move, okay, let's measure it, and you'll be able to see a little bit clearly what's going on. If we see this, if we measure it, you can see we are gonna hit very close to the 0.382 level. Again, if it does break towards the upside. Now, if it breaks towards the downside, you can see it's gonna have this price target at the 1.414 level at $1.66, and you can clearly see we have the previous highs and the lows, but usually they don't come breaking down all of a sudden. It's not going to be maybe a like a sudden drop. You could always expect a very like a slow staircase kind of movement. You can just bring this, draw it over here like that, and it's gonna probably, and you measure the move now and take this off. Okay, just take that off, measure the move like that. It's gonna have like, like a slow drop, probably something like this. here, come here, maybe go up and then come slowly like that. Or maybe it can go wick all the way down and then come back up. Okay, usually that's what happens in these kind of pattern formation. But at the moment, it is creating this descending triangle formation, and you can see where the 20 moving averages in the daily time frame. It's sitting right at $1.97. So let's say if it does drop towards the this low over here, because it usually falls, and you can come and draw this support line over here. You can see that it might come and try to hit this low over here, because we do have the 20 moving average coming, and then we also have this low in this area where we got supported. Okay, so keep an eye on this $1. What is this? $2. Yeah, at $2 level. Okay, so might do something in this fashion. Okay, because if it does break towards the downside, it will go and retest this level. Okay, if it gets above and above the 0.786, then probably an upside is coming. But if it comes here, gets rejected by this level, it will come down. Okay, so but at the moment, I'm just gonna show you really quickly. Keep an eye on this descending triangle. Okay, this is your support at $2.12, and this is the resistance area. Okay, hope this brought you some new information for GMT, and if you're liking this kind of content for GMT, hit the like button so I can keep making these videos for you guys, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.